Hi guys, and welcome to another Playing With Me. I am using the kit leftovers from my EC for this week in my B6. The sticker kit is from GP Sticker Studio. This was her PBC sale exclusive kit, and I just loved it. I just love the colors, the blue, the pink, the pinks, the blues, and things like that. So here I was trying to use the strip from the washi to add onto the side of my B6, but I wanted to add the washi first. Also, in these B6 inserts, I like for my bows to be facing outwards because I think they look upside down if they're facing inwards. And yeah, I just I think they should face outwards. So yeah, I'm putting the strip back down, and then I'm gonna just cut it to match the size of the rest of them. I just like the way that this looks, and because this whole insert is a to-do list, I don't need a sidebar. And just love bringing in some Simply Gilded washi. I think I am about to. I wanted to see if I was going to use that as a header, but I decided not to use those as a header. I really like those and would like to bring them in a little bit more. I just got those, so I'm gonna white out the date covers because I think they peeked through on the date covers. In GP Sticker Studios, her dates come with 2 sets of date covers, so I use one set in my EC, and then I use one set here, and then her kits also come with a set of a set of headers, so I used that. These day covers were a little big. I love the way that the scribble prints go from her multi-line ones fit into these day covers, but these are a little big, so I had to pull them up, use undo, and undo, oh my gosh, it like squirts everywhere. Like, I don't understand. And these one were actually a little bit curved. I don't know, they had like a little opening, so I also whited out the line that was underneath of it so that it would not peek through. And I went and put this down so slowly for some reason. But yeah, I love the way that date covers look in my B6. It helps me bring in, like, pull the spread together and make sure it makes it look like it's not just random colors together. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once I put down the glitter headers, I came back and I was going to try to use the full checklist, but I wanted to use the half boxes. This kit comes a lot of half boxes, and I wanted to use the half boxes, so I decided to use the checklist. I did have to cut one off so that it fit without looking cramped. So I go through and put a checklist and a half box on each day. I wanted this spread to be a little bit more functional. But yeah, for Monday, I'm marking that my big event for Monday is that I have my conference, like my weekly conference call for my class. I wanted this week to be a little bit more functional because with me starting summer school and my internship, it's like 5 weeks of summer school. It's like half a day and you still have to get the same amount of work done. So I just need these inserts to be just a little bit more functional this week. So that's what I did. On Tuesday, my big event for Tuesdays that I work on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I usually will put a full box on Tuesdays and Thursdays because I don't have a checklist for work. It doesn't really make any sense, but I work part-time, so I don't really, like, I go in, I do what I have to do, and I come back, like, I leave, like, I don't have anything that I need to do at home or to prepare, unlike internship, where I am working in the classroom with kids. I'm also, like, working in small groups with kids, so I need to prepare ahead of time and things like that. So that's why I started to use these inserts in the first place. Was I wanted a place to hold all my to-do list and not just writing them all over sticky notes and not being able to find the sticky notes. For Wednesday. Oh, I'm going to go to Orange Theory, so I put that down here. I put the kettlebell with the weight in a bow over top of it because I just thought both of the icons by itself looked a little small in the half box, so I stacked them together like that. Oh, and for Tuesday and Thursday, I used the push pin icon for work. I didn't have anything else to mark for work, so I just used that, and it was fine. Oh yeah, when I was trying to use it in the push pin in my regular EC, my EC, I had ripped it, so I had to do a little bit sticker surgery there. Sorry that you guys are out of frame. I just wanted to make it look as if it was not ripped. And for Friday, that's what I'm about to do. Oh yeah, I had to cut off each one of them, so I try to be cutting off each one of them because it was just boring. You guys don't want to watch that. But for Friday, this Friday is payday, so I'm like that. And I chose to use the pattern boxes because I didn't have enough to color block, so I didn't want to color block. And then I can use the color the pattern, the solid ones in my EC if I need to bring in anything throughout the week. Saturday I put down a checklist, and Sunday I normally don't put checklists on Saturday and Sunday, even though I do usually have a to-do list for Saturday and Sunday. I just usually put down a full box, but I put down a checklist today, and then I go put in the half box. And what did I do? I put down a half box. Oh, when I went to go mark my event for the day, I noticed that one, I didn't put down my payday girl from GP Sticker Studio, and that I put Saturday and Sunday mixed up. Fortunately, I got the date covers correct, like the numbers correct, but I switched them, which is pretty funny. I wonder how many of you guys noticed it before I did, because I did not notice until I went to go put down the because I have Orange Theory on Saturday and I have a Wednesday, and when I went to go put down Orange Theory on Saturday, I noticed that I had switched them. The bows that I'm using are from Clever Girl Crafts. They're her non-foil bows, and I love them. They're so pretty. For Sunday, I didn't put on a big event. It probably will be just family time between me and my boyfriend, or I don't know what I'm gonna do. So filling the habit trackers, I don't use all the habit trackers, so I would usually put a full box, but I decided to use this washi to stack it up as a full box, so I use that there. I kept counting to see how many I needed to white out, because I didn't want to white out too many and then not have any space to fill it. So I'm gonna stack that there. I think restacking them is always harder than, because when it's on the sheet it always looks so nice, like looks like the scene, but then when you restack it, it's always a little bit more difficult, because you have to put them exactly aligned, or it's not going to look like the scene, or it's going to be white space in between them. So I just finagle that a little bit and try to make it look as seamless as possible. Like, you have to really stack them on top of each other, because if you leave any space, you will be able to tell. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that I did start a new quarter in these inserts. Just like the Erin Condren, a lot of people started new Erin Condren this week. I started my new Erin Condren this week. Also started some new inserts, which was pretty fun, because yeah, it was just like the book was so small. And here for the side, I like to track my spending, and it's not enough. I don't think it's 7 hearts. I think it's 6 hearts, but a little limited on funds until payday, so I need to, watch what I'm spending my money on before payday and after payday. So hopefully these, yeah, so that's what that is for. I would use a spending checklist, header, but she didn't have one, I don't think. And I wanted to bring in the bow header. I think they're really cute, but my thing, sometimes I don't like for them to be covering something up. So if they're gonna cover up something, I didn't want to use them. So yeah, I'm trying to put down this like divider so that I could put down deco. I like to put down deco on this side. Sometimes I put a half box for like the theme of the week or something like that, but I don't always have to or need to. So I put down, I whited out the line so that I could put down deco, and she had a lot of deco in this kit, so I wanted to use some. I think the deco helps the spread as well. She had big deco and little deco, which I liked as well, because the big deco I wouldn't have used in my AC because it's just too big. But yeah, I have space to take up over here, so I like made a little pool scene. I like their hat. The hat said "Hello Summer," which was pretty cute. I think that's from the Target hat that was going around. It's like beach bum or something like that. I don't know. So then I put like a little drink on the checklist. I do that sometimes as well. Then I like a little flower on the half box on Sunday, just to add decorations. And what else am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna put up a header. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna put my Coffee Monday sticker. That is literally my favorite sticker. I drink coffee every day, guys, so I don't mark it every day, because that just would be 7 coffee stickers in a row. But I wanted to mark it there because I knew I had to get up early. I have to start getting up early for internship because summer school starts a little bit earlier. So then I flipped you guys around to put this goes header up here. And I think that's it. The spread is done, guys. If you like this spread, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Bye, guys. Oh, yeah, I'm going to show you guys what's in the kit here. But bye, guys.